A small island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, Madeira, in 1500 was the greatest producer of early capitalism's most important cash crop. Every year between 1505 and 1509, some 2,000 tons of white gold flowed from Funchal, Madeira's capital, to Lisbon, Antwerp, Genoa, and many places beyond. Christopher Columbus landed in Madeira for the first time in 1478, entrusted with the task of finding Europe's most valuable cash crop at the time, white gold. Shortly after landing in Madeira, Christopher Columbus quickly tied the knot with Felipe de Muniz, the daughter of the governor of Porto Santo at the time, Bartolomeu Perestrelo, and thus gained access to many documents from the Portuguese regarding Atlantic navigation. So early 15th century Funchal, this would have all been sugarcane fields. Sugar was everything in the 15th and beginning of the 16th century in Madeira. But nowadays, to see our sugarcane, we have to leave Funchal. Before we do that, I just want to give you a quick note. If you're looking for more information on all of this, all the sources and all the facts and figures, because I don't want to bore you too much with this stuff, check out our blog. Everything is in there, all the information. And right now, while you're at it, hit up a like and a subscribe to the channel. There's way more stuff happening, and there's some really cool videos coming ahead. So it's time to get out of Funchal and to go and see the modern day uses of sugarcane in Madeira. So to dive into the modern uses of sugarcane in Madeira, we've come out to the northeast to Porto de Cruz. This small village is basically where all the action is at the moment when it comes to sugarcane in the present day and age. And it's also one of the most agriculturally diverse parts of the island. So just to give you an idea, over here, we've got these vineyards growing just to our left. To our right, we've got bananas, and right here, sugarcane. So the biggest downfall to all of this sugar production in Madeira was the deforestation of our forests. Sugarcane farmers needed two things. Firstly, they needed fertile land, and in order to do that, they had to burn down the forest because of the black ash that created the best opportunity for sugarcane to grow. And secondly, they needed fuel for the engenhos, right, for the sugar mills, which was obviously timber being cut down to fuel the sugar production. And by the early 1500s, soon after this massive sugar rush in Madeira, the land had been depleted and was no longer sustainable to carry on producing sugar in Madeira.
I'm Carla, I'm the guide of this factory. We are Engenhos do Norte, and we are the last factory in all the Europe still working by steam power. So it's very important for us keep the machines working very well by steam, for the people can visit and see the machines working with steam. It's completely different than the other ones. The noise and the vibration, it's completely different. The first point in this factory, it's the scale we have over here. We have the scale, we control the sugar cane, it's coming to our factory. The producers, they cut the sugar cane in the fields, they transport to the factory. We go in a scale, we take how many wages of sugarcane they bring to us, and then the trucks will come around the back and we'll start to go in the factory the sugarcane. This process, it's a simple process. The factory will receive the sugar cane over here and we'll start going inside the machines to do the crush. We'll do the first crush in electric machine, the second crush to take the juice of the sugar cane in a steam power, and the third crush in a steam power machine. In the end, the sugar cane will be completely dry. If it's dry, we give it back to the producers. They can put in the floor like a fertilizer, or they can give the animals to eat. It's very good as well. This factory only works 2.5 months a year because we do agricole rum. It's rum produced directly from the juice of the sugar cane. The other rums, it's doing industrial. The factory can work all year. We have 3 different colons to do the distillation. When the fermentation is ready, around 30 hours, goes to the distillation. In the distillation, we have the 3 different colons. We control the way we like the alcohol, and we can take one with 50% alcohol, the other one with 60%, and the other one with 70%. And the flavor will be different as well. Half of the production, the rum we're doing here, will be white rum, and the other half will be old rum. Goes inside the barrels and will be for 3 years old minimum to be old rum. And then we can have different rums, 3 years, 6 years, 9 years. The oldest ones in this factory was made on 1977, and we still have some rum of 1977 to sell. It's lovely, it's amazing, very, very old and very woody. It's completely different than the other ones.
A empresa Engenhos do Norte tem colaborado aqui na moagem da cana-de-açúcar. O Rum da Madeira tem, nos últimos anos, tido prémios internacionais, já tem o seu espaço definido. Inicialmente, em 2013, a produção andava nas 6 mil toneladas. Chegamos às 11 mil, depois regredia um pouco e estamos nas 10 mil toneladas. Os engenhos do Norte este ano vão produzir à volta de 4 mil toneladas de cana. Vão processar. O nosso maior mercado é a França. A França porque é uma região que conhece os rums agrícolas e valoriza um pouco mais porque a França, devido às suas regiões ultraperiféricas, tem rums agrícolas e a nossa qualidade é extraordinária e por isso estamos a conseguir exportar. Em relação ao futuro, nós temos alguma apreensão porque as pessoas ou os agricultores que têm feito um esforço extraordinário com esta cultura, somos já pessoas de idade e nós temos algumas dúvidas se as novas gerações irão fazer este trabalho como os seus pais e avós fizeram, e se não tivermos agricultores que nos produzam cana de qualidade, poderemos não ter quantidades suficientes para depois entrar nas exportações. A maior valorização será sempre nos rums envelhecidos, por isso a empresa tem apostado no envelhecimento dos rums para colmatar essa situação, porque concorrer com rums brancos é muito difícil a nível internacional, porque os mercados para coquetéis, tudo isso, querem o produto mais barato e não olham muitas vezes à qualidade. São diferentes. O ciclo de casca é feito de uma pipa só e engarrafado exatamente com o grau que está. Este aqui é uma mistura de várias pipas. Também, neste caso, não é adicionada água, é como ele está dentro da pipa. Este tem 15 anos, este é de 2007. Vamos fazer então com o de 15 anos.
So what is the future of sugarcane in Madeira? What is the future of the industry and capitalism in Madeira? I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave us a comment. I like the fact that these guys are going for quality, some aged rum, and definitely an innovative company. So we've been coming here for years and I love this place, and they've already actually supported us on some of our projects before. So another big thank you to Engenhos do Norte. Thank you, Carla and Luís, for showing us around. You guys know the deal. Hit the like and subscribe button to the channel. We're going to be showing you much more Madeira videos in the future. There's going to be some great stuff coming, I promise. And for now, ching ching. By the early 16th century, the sugar trade had destroyed most of the Madeiran forest. Luckily, in this day and age, we still have 20% of the island surrounded by original, untouched Laurisylva forests. This is the forest protected by UNESCO, and this is our most prized possession. So what is the future of the sugarcane industry in Madeira? Is it quality over quantity? Will the youth be interested in growing sugar and producing sugarcane rum? Will it be new biodiverse products, such as the plant bottle produced by Coca-Cola, which is an eco-friendly bottle that's made up to 30% from plant-based materials, including sugarcane waste? Will it be biodiesel or other bioproducts such as cardboard and plastic? What do you think?